In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use a Fastmoss coupon code for a discount. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the website of Fastmoss by using the link in the description. Once you're here is that you want to click here on start free trial so that you would be able to register for your account, or if you already have one, click here on login. In my case, I'll just go for start free trial and I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. Or you could also go for TikTok or provide your email and then the code right here, depending on your preference. In my case, I'll just go with Google. Or if you don't want to do this yet, and then you would want to go straight into the pricing, so you could use the coupon code, click here on skip button. And now you'd now be able to see all of the pricing plans right here. So now you want to choose the plan that you want. You can go for monthly, biannually, or annually, depending on which one you'd want. So let's say I'm going to go for annually right here. So you'd be able to save in the long run, but in return, you would have to pay big upfront. So yeah, this is only for those who are thinking of long-term here in Fastmoss. And then once you've selected your plan in here, click there on the buy now button on your plan. And now once you're in here is that you want to go here into add promotion code and just type in our code, which is, and then with this, you will now get a massive 10% discount. So at this price, I would get a $92 discount. So make sure to use our coupon code so that you would have bigger discount on top of your annual payment if you went for an annual plan. So that's it. And then all that's left now is to simply provide your payment method and click here on pay. And your payment will now be processed and you would have successfully purchased a plan here on Fastmoss with a coupon code with a discount. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.